बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आप लोग जानते हैं कि इस साल पेपर के अंदर कंसेप्चुअल एमसीक्यूज, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस वगैरह भी होंगे, इसलिए मैंने आपके लिए कंसेप्चुअल एमसीक्यूज की तैयारी शुरू कर दी है और आपके लिए भी ज़रूरी है कि इनको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से तैयार कर सकें ताकि एमसीक्यूज पेपर के अंदर आप के मुकम्मल हो सकें। करंट इज़ इक्वल टू ए आई आर स्क्वेयर, बी सी वी, सी क्यू ओवर टी, डी आई आर। द करेक्ट आंसर इज क्यू ओवर टी, that is option C. So we tick the option C. The AC mean alternating current. The AC used in our houses has frequency cycle per second. A 60, B 30, C 50, D 130. The correct answer is 50 cycle per second. That is in option C. So we tick the option C. An ideal voltmeter has a resistance A very low, B very high, C nothing, D low. The correct answer is very high, that is in option B. So we tick option B. Electric potential and EMF. Electric potential and EMF, A are the same quantities, B are the different quantities, C have different units, D both A and B. The correct answer is electric potential and EMF are different quantities, that is option B. So we tick at option B. The electric power of washing machine, what is? Option A 50, option B 750, option C 100, option D 800. 800 is not correct answer. B 750 is the correct answer. So we tick at B, that is 750. Potential of neutral wire is. Potential of neutral wire is A 1 volt, B 5 volt, C 0 volt, D 10 volt. For wire, neutral wire potential is 0 volt, that is option C. So we tick option C. Electric power P is equal to. Option A I square V, option B I V square, option C I square R, option D I R square. The correct answer is I square R, that is in option C. So we tick at option C, that is I square R. One kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt hour is equal to A 3.6 million joule, B 3.6 kilojoule, C 3.6 joule, D 3.6 per joule. The correct answer is 3.6 million joule. That is option A. So we tick option A. What is the power rating of a lamp connected to a 12-volt source when it carries 2.5 ampere? For this, the formula for power is P is equal to IV. When I 2.5 multiplied by 12, it becomes 30. The power is 30 watt. So we see options A 4.8 watt, B 14.5 watt, C 30 watt, D 60 watt. The correct option is C, where it is 30 watt. So we tick option C. Next MCQs is a current of 3 ampere passes through 6 ohm resistance, then voltage across this resistor will be. Here formula is V is equal to IR. I is equal to 3, R is 6, 3 multiplied by 6, 18. So voltage is 18 volt. Option A 2 volt. Option B 9 volt. Option C 18 volt. Option D 36 volt. So the correct option is C, where it is written 18 volt. So we tick at option C. Mathematical form of current is A is VR, B QR, C Q over T, D R over V. Mathematical form of current I is equal to Q over T, that is written in option C. So we tick option C. Each bolt of lightning contains energy. Each bolt of lightning contain the energy. Option A 2000 million joule energy, B 3000 million joule energy, C 1000 million joule energy, D 4000 million joule energy. We tick at B, that is incorrect. Option D also incorrect. C is the correct option, that is 1000 million joule energy. 1 watt is equal to option A joule second, B joule per second, C joule square second, D second per joule. 1 watt is equal to joule per second, that is in option B. So we tick option B. It is correct. 1 kilowatt is equal to A 3.6 million joule, B 3.6 kilojoule, C 3.6 joule per second, D 3.6 joule. The correct option is A 3.6 million joule or mega joule. So we tick option A. The unit of electric power is option A watt, B ampere, C also ampere, D volt. The correct option is A, where it is written watt. The unit of electric power is watt. So we tick at option A. Unit of resistance is A ampere, B volt, C ohm, D farad. The correct answer is ohm, that is in option C. So we take option C. Mathematical form of Ohm's law is A, V is equal to IR, B, V is equal to QT, C, V is equal to I square R, D, V is equal to IR square. The mathematical form of Ohm's law is V is equal to IR, that is in option A. So we take option A. The direction of induced EMF in a circuit in accordance with conservation of option A mass, option B charge, option C momentum, option D energy. Option D is correct answer, so we take D. Formula of EMF is equal to option A, E is equal to J over Q, E is equal to Q over I, E is equal to W over Q, E is equal to W over I. The correct option is C, where it is written E is equal to W over Q. So we tick option C. 5 joules of work is needed to shift 10 coulomb charge from one place to another place. The potential difference between the places is formula is work over charge, W over Q. W is 5 divided by 10. It is equal to 0.5. Option A 0.5, option B 2 volt, option C 5 volt, option D 10 volt. The correct answer is option A, that is 0.5 volt. So we take option A. 1 microampere is equal to A 10 raise minus 3 ampere, B 10 raise minus 6 ampere, C 10 raise minus 9 ampere, D 10 raise minus 12 ampere. The correct answer is option B, where it is written 10 raise minus 6 ampere. So we take option B. The unit of electric current is option A joule, option B coulomb, option C ampere, option D watt. The correct answer is option C, where it is written ampere. The unit of electric current is ampere. So we tick option C. The equivalent resistance of a parallel combination is equal to sum of all resistances. Option B is greater than largest resistance of combination. Option C is smaller than smallest resistance of combination. Option D is all of these. The correct option is C, is smaller than the smallest resistance of combination. So we take option C. When resistances are connected in series, the current passing through them is A different, B 0, C the same, D none of these. The answer is here C. So we tick at option C. The property of substance which opposes the flow of current through it is called option A resistance, B reactance, C resistivity, D none. The correct answer is option A where it is written resistance. So we tick option A. As the temperature of a conductor rises, its resistance A increases, B decreases, C does not change, D none. The correct answer is increases, that is written in option A. So we take option A. The resistance of voltmeter is A0, B low, C very high, D 10 ohm. The resistance of voltmeter is very high, that is in option C. So we take option C. The current which does not change its direction is called option A AC alternating current, B conventional, C DC direct current, option D transient current. The correct answer is direct current, that is written in option C DC. So we tick the option C DC mean direct current. That period in which voltage repeats its value in equal intervals is called option A cycle, B time period, C frequency, D amplitude. The correct answer is option B, that is time period. So we tick at option B. The current which changes its direction is called A current, B conventional current, C AC mean alternating current, option D DC mean direct current. The correct answer is alternating current, that is written in option C as AC. So we tick at option C. Joule's law is option A IRT, B IRT square, C IR square T, option D I square RT, that is written in option D I square RT. So the correct answer is option D. How galvanometer is connected in circuit to detect current? Option A in series, B in parallel, C fixed, D variable. The galvanometer is connected in parallel to detect current, that is written in option B. So we tick at option B. Which instrument is used to detect current? Option A galvanometer, option B voltmeter, option C ammeter, option D electroscope. The correct answer is galvanometer, that is in option A. So we tick at option A. Resistance of conductor is directly proportional to A length, B pressure, C area, D R. Resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to length that is written in option A. So we tick at option A. The unit of specific resistivity in formula R is equal to rho L over A is option A ohm, option B ohm per meter, option C ohm per meter square, option D ohm per meter square. The correct answer is ohm per meter, that is in option B. So we take at option B. What type of graph is in between V and I? V mean potential difference, I mean current. What type of graph is in between potential difference and current? Option A curved, B parabola, C straight line, D none. The graph between potential difference and current is a straight line, that is written in option C. So we take at option C. The unit of potential difference is option A volt, option B coulomb, option C ampere, option D joule. The correct answer is volt, that is written in option A. So we tick at option A. Battery converts chemical energy into which energy? A. Mechanical energy, B. Electrical energy, C. Thermal, D. None. Battery converts chemical energy into electrical energy, that is in option B. So we tick at option B. The rate of flow of charge through any cross-sectional area is called option A potential difference, option B energy, option C coulomb, option D electric current. The correct answer is electric current, that is written in option D. So we tick at option D. The ampere is a unit of option A energy, option B potential difference, C electric current, C electric potential, D electric current. The ampere is the unit of electric current, that is written in option D. So we tick at option D. The combined resistance of two identical resistors connected in series is 8 ohm. Their combined resistance in parallel arrangement will be 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4, 2 over 4, cancelled 2 ohm. R is 2 ohm. Option A is 2 ohm. Option B 4 ohm. Option C 8 ohm. Option D 12 ohm. The correct answer is 2 ohm, that is in option A. So we tick at option A. What is the power rating of a lamp connected to a 12 volt source when it carries 2.5 ampere current? Option A 4.8 watt, B 14.5 watt, C 30 watt, D 60 watt. P is equal to IV. 12 multiplied by 2.5 equal to 30. The option C is the correct answer. So we tick at option C. if we double both the current and the voltage in a circuit while keeping its resistance constant, the power 2V multiplied by 2I 4 times. Option A remains unchanged, B halves, C double, D 4 times. 4 times is the correct answer, that is in option D, so we tick at option D. When we double the voltage in a simple electric circuit, we double the option A current, option B power, C resistance, D both A and B. Option D is the correct answer, students, so we tick at option D. Why should household appliances be connected in parallel with the voltage source? A. To increase resistance of circuit. B. To decrease the resistance of the circuit. C. To provide each appliance the same voltage as the power source. Option D. To provide each appliance the same voltage as the power source. Option D incorrect. So option C is the correct answer, so we tick at option C. What happens to the intensity of the brightness of the lamps connected in series as more and more lamps are added? Option A increases, B decreases, C remains the same, D cannot be predicted. Option B is the correct answer, that is decreases, so we tick at option B. What is the voltage across a 6 ohm resistor when 3 ampere of current passes through it? V is equal to IR, 3 multiplied by 6, it is 18. Option A 2 volt, B 9 volt, C 18 volt, D 36 volt. 18 volt is the correct answer, that is in option C, so we tick at option C. An electric current in conductor is due to the flow of option A positive ions, B negative ions, C positive charges, D free electrons. Free electron is the correct answer, that is in option D, so we tick at option D.